All right, but market opening is going to be quite a steep sell-off. I mean, in line with what the SGX was suggesting, of course. The Nifty down almost about 300 points. The first tick coming through, and as we were predicting, the Nifty is now down 280 points. The Sensex is down 960 points, so quite an ugly opening. It's IT all the way. Tech Mahindra, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, HCL Tech are your top losers right now, down about 2 to 4%. And then you have some of these, companies that have an exposure to global markets. Tata Motors is down 1.5%. Tata Steel is down about 1% or so. Reliance Industries is down about 1.5%, dragging the market. So it's a secular move on the downside that we're seeing. Very few and far between. Only Asian Paints is holding up in the green. Otherwise, most Nifty components are in the red, with steep losses seen in the in the IT stocks. And of course, the market breadth is on the weaker side as well.
Oh, absolutely. It is, and looking pretty weak and down and out, as it would on a day like today. What do we have on the downside? It's all tech, actually, as Sonia pointed out. Infosys, TCS, TechM, HCL Tech, LTI, Wipro, L&T Technology Services, Mindtree, Coforge, Persistent. Oh, boy. I mean, I think the top 7, 8 volume-led losers are all actually more. I mean, if you want to count Naukri, there is KPIT, Policy Bazaar. Policy Bazaar, of course, was up some 11-12%. Birlasoft, Emphasis. Actually, the top 10, 11 volume-led losers are all IT. Losses in between 3 to 5%. And LTI is the top loser. No, actually, both LTI and LTTS both are down 4.5%, 5% each as far as the opening goes. So that's where the bulk of the pressure is. I think the market's coming back up a little bit. We've recovered a little bit on the Nifty. We are down 1% now. So, yeah, I mean, the low right to the open was about 17,771, and we are at about 17,873. So there's a 100-point bounce, which is already underway right after the opening at this point in time. So we'll see. The gap down, from the gap down, a full 100-point bounce is what we have had at this point. Broader markets, let me just see some gainers. Ambuja Cement, Nigel was talking about that, 1.25 higher. PVR is up about 1%. ACC is up 0.5% or so. Asian Paints is up a little bit. And there is KEC International, which is up about 4%. Ami Organics, we were just talking to the management. That starts about 3% higher, 1,140 on that name. Nigel.